It's wild to think about the secret behind some of the absolute most profitable businesses on Earth right now. In this explainer, we're going to dive straight into a fascinating concept that literally flips traditional economics totally on its head. We're talking about the asset-light business model.
Seriously, think about it for a second. How on earth do you build a multi-million-dollar empire without a single delivery truck, no giant warehouse, and zero manufacturing plants? I mean, for over a century, business was all about physical stuff, right? You built a factory, you made a widget, you shipped it out. But today, the whole playbook has completely changed. And that brings us right to the core of what an asset-light business model actually is. Instead of pouring millions and millions into heavy, rusting machinery, these businesses need almost zero physical capital. The real money-making engine here isn't something you can physically hold in your hand. It's intellectual property. It's simply owning the legal rights to things that people want to consume over and over and over again.
Let's look at the stark contrast here. A traditional factory machine, well, it depreciates, it rusts, it breaks down, and eventually you're hit with massive replacement costs. But music, intellectual property, that is a whole different ballgame. A massive hit song never gets used up. It can literally keep earning money forever. And the cost to produce just one more copy for a new listener, it's basically zero. To really wrap our heads around this, we're going to use the music IP licensing and content royalty industry as our masterclass example today. Because owning a song catalog is fundamentally different from owning a factory. It is the absolute ultimate pure-play, asset-light setup. There's no complex procurement network, absolutely no physical inventory to manage. It's just pure invisible assets churning out real-world cash. Let's put that into perspective. Imagine trying to manage a physical real estate portfolio with 34,000 properties. I mean, that would be an absolute maintenance nightmare, right? But a pure-play leader in the Indian music industry holds exactly that, over 34,000 songs. Each track acts just like a digital apartment that can be rented out to millions of simultaneous tenants at the exact same time. And the best part? Not a single clogged sink or broken window to fix. So how exactly do those digital properties turn into cold, hard cash? Well, thanks to automated rights detection systems like YouTube's Content ID, the rights owners automatically capture these tiny little royalty payments every single time their songs are streamed on Spotify, played in a restaurant, synced to a TV commercial, or even just used as background music in some 15-second short video. It is just this continuous automated stream of income pouring in from all over the globe. And this right here unlocks the absolute financial magic trick of the entire asset-light model: operating leverage. Because there are no physical goods to procure or package up or ship out, playing a song one more time costs the company absolutely nothing extra. The core asset is already fully paid for. So any new revenue from a sudden surge in streaming, it flows almost entirely straight to the bottom line as pure profit. Let's look at the actual data for a second, because these numbers are frankly jaw-dropping. We are talking about profit margins sitting comfortably between 73 and 79% for a top pure-play music IP company. Think about that. Out of every single dollar they earn, almost 80 cents is kept as operating profit. You simply do not ever see margins like that in industries bogged down by factories and physical supply chains. It's a real game changer. So, we've seen exactly how the asset-light model completely transforms basic economics, turning invisible intellectual property into these insanely high-margin revenue streams that literally never wear out. Which leaves us with a pretty fascinating final thought for you to chew on. If a simple collection of songs can build a massive, highly profitable empire with zero factories, what other invisible assets are out there right now, quietly printing money in the digital age?